everyone, how are you all doing today? You all are welcome to this channel today. If today is your first time of being here, you are welcome. My old subscriber, I always love you all. You all are welcome. So the last video I made about how to clean your spot with potato, some people want other remedy that is so fast, that is not natural. So the product I bring for you today that is going to be doing those work for you is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil. Tea tree essential oil. You see, tea tree oil is just very little this way. If you have a rough skin, rough, when you say rough, when you have rough pimples, dark spots, big pimples all over your face, tea tree oil. So I'm going to be telling you how many ways, 10 ways that you can use tea tree oil today. Number 1, you can use tea tree oil for your shampoo. If you have dandruff on your hair, you just take it. It's very strong. You just put 2 drops inside of it. You use it to wash your hair, or inside your conditioner. Number 2, you put it inside your conditioner. You use it to massage your hair and cover for some minutes and rinse it up. Another way that you can use tea tree oil, which is number 3, to clear your dark spots and your pimples, is to use this tea tree oil with honey. Just put a little bit of honey and put 2 drops inside of it. Use it to rub your face for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Wash up your face. Do it 2 times in a week. You are going to see the results in 1 week. Tea tree oil is very good. So number 5, another way you can use tea tree oil, you can use it to clear your dark armpits. If you have dark armpits, you can take it with lime. You cut a little bit of lime and drop tea tree oil inside. So when you drop it inside, you just use it to rub your armpits. Rub it for some minutes. You go and wash it, rinse it up. So number 5, you can use tea tree oil to clear mouth odor. When you are having serious, when they say serious mouth odor, you can use tea tree oil. How will you use it? You just take water and put a drop or 2 inside of it. Remember, you must not take it in. You must not take it in. It must not go inside of you. Just use it to gag your mouth. You throw it up. Okay. So number 6, any face mask that you are using, you can drop your tea tree oil inside of it. Just use it to rub your face, massage your face. It's going to clear all those dark spots and all those things away. Number 7, it deals with acne, like spots, acne, like for men. Maybe you finish shaving, you are the type that always have burns all over here. Just put tea tree oil with maybe coconut oil or any oil. Just put it and use it to rub it. Is going to go. Not 1 day, but in 1 week, you're going to see results. So number 8, tea tree oil can use, maybe you have a runny nose and you have maybe your throat is blocked, like those, or maybe this weather we are now. What you just need to do is to put a little bit of tea tree oil, maybe 2 drops inside the water. When you put it inside the water, you cover yourself with the towel, like you are just with warm water. Let the water be warm. It's like you're just massaging yourself. You cover yourself, you vaporing yourself with those warm water. Just be there. It's going to take it off. Tea tree oil is so good for many, many things. Tea tree oil, which is number 10, which is number 9. Tea tree oil is very good to make your nails stronger. You see, your nails will be stronger. Just put it inside a drop of maybe any oil of your choice. Just use it to be rubbing it. So tea tree oil will make your nails to be strong. It will make it to be strong, guys. I am telling you the truth. Yes. Another way that you can use tea tree oil, if your hair is not growing, which is number 10, the last, there are a lot of things that you can use tea tree oil for. Okay, you can Google it, you can ask your doctor about it. Okay, so the number 10 that you can use tea tree oil for is that you can take it and add to your oil that you are using for your hair. Maybe your hair is not growing well, or you are always having a drop on your hair. Tea tree oil, you just drop 2 drops on it and use it to massage under your hair. Anytime you want to massage your hair, it is so good. And another thing that you must do concerning this tea tree oil, you must take it away from the kids. The children must not go closer to it because it's very strong. Okay, it's very strong. Don't use it too much because it's going to bleach you. Don't use it too much. Once in a while, you know, I told you before that turmeric is very good, but when you use it too much, it's going to bleach you. So don't use it too much. So once in a week or 2 times in a week is so good. But if you have that strong acne, a lot of big pimples, tea tree oil, just use it with honey 2 times in a week. If it's too strong, just take when you put the honey, just put it 3 times a week and see the results. You will see the result will be so amazed, guys. I'm telling you the truth. Since I was introduced to tea tree oil, any people that comes up, I drop it at it, it's going to go. Okay, tea tree oil is so good, but you don't drop it direct to your face. Okay, because it's an essential oil, you must add it to another oil or any other thing. You can add it to make and rub on your face, but you must dilute it with something. Okay, and remember, when you have a mouth odor, as I said before, you want to use it to gag your mouth, you must not swallow it. You must not take it in. No, it's not good to take in. Okay, so that is it. You can ask your doctor about it. You can Google it. You can ask about it. Tea tree oil is the best to use for acne. This is the 10 ways I'm going to be saying today concerning tea tree oil. And there are a lot of ways that you use tea tree oil. Okay, maybe when you Google it, you can know more. I don't know, but I know that there are a lot of ways. Don't be hurried. Those things I'll be teaching you to use, don't be hurried. Gradually, you know, a home is not built a day. Gradually, you will start seeing improvements in your skin and everything. Okay, so it's very good to use. Thank you for watching me today. God bless you. If you try it and it works for you, just DM me and say, Sister Divine, I've tried it. It's so powerful, and I know it's so powerful. Tea tree oil is so powerful. Tea tree oil is so powerful. I'm not joking, guys. That is the truth. Bye. I love you. Remember, it's not over until God says so. Until we meet next time in this channel, what will you do? Keep on bouncing in the Lord. Keep on rejoicing in the Lord. Don't let no one kill your happiness, because you know why. You are born to win and never to fail. I love you. You're a bold woman, a strong man, a strong guy, a strong girl, a strong child. Remain blessed. Bye-bye.